What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Civic CVC, which has gone through an insane percentage increase in the last 24 to 48 hours, as you guys can see here, and it is currently trading at just over 30 cents and has gone up over 93% up in the last, I wouldn't say 24 hours, probably around the last 12 to 14 hours, as you guys can see here. A major pump earlier last night, so we're going to be going through why has it pumped up so much, what has caused this, and looking at, is it too late to invest into it, or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profit, or should you hold on to it before it potentially pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, and so on. So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view and be looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and is it a crypto worth investing into. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Civic, which is here in purple, at just about 16 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in in red at 30 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So we also have the Fibonacci scale here, which I'm going to be using later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So according to the graph, an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours from Civic. So essentially, towards the end of the day today, the crypto should have taken a step back in value, which I also agree with. Reason being is done an insane percentage increase, and right now from the predictions and analysis that I have done, it is slightly overvalued. So I'm expecting it to hit more red candles later on this afternoon, evening time, potentially dropping down just below 25 cents in value is what I'm expecting. So even though it is still on the positive side overall for the day, I'm expecting it to hit more red candles later on today. Again, it does not mean it's going to start dropping in value right now. It is likely to hit more green candles over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to realize it's overvalued and then start to drop down over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what this means for Civic is an overall fluctuation in value according to the graph. However, from my take, over the next week or so by the end of the week, early next week, I'm expecting Civic to have taken a dip down in value, potentially down to around 18 to 20 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, reason being is, as I mentioned, it is slightly overvalued, and I'm expecting it to take more dips in value over the next couple of days. More red candles should appear, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. The main fact is that the crypto is slightly overvalued, and it is due for a little bit of a dip over the coming days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, we got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking way too steep to be realistic guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late May, I'm expecting Civic to have gone for a drop in value once again, potentially hovering around 24 to 25 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So let's go in a little bit more detail. What I mean by that is once it goes through a price correction over the coming week or two down to around 15 cents by early to mid-April, it should then slowly start to gain value for the rest of April, May, June, heading upwards, hitting green candles up to around 25 cents in value is what I'm expecting, especially that the Bitcoin halving is coming up in April. This should also have an impact on the value of Civic, but there will be more details on the Bitcoin halving and what to expect, what to predict in a separate video. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So getting rid of the MACD indicator and bringing out the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we were trading in the red zone literally 3 days ago, broken out from there, broken out from this level here, and we literally ended up into the top tier level in a space of about 2 days, breaking out from each and every resistance level without any resistance. So that in itself proves to me that the crypto is overvalued and this pump was not sustainable, meaning it is more than likely going to drop all the way back down into the red zone over the next week or two, and then it has to slowly and steadily start to gain value again. But at the moment, this pump is not sustainable. So on the green side, on the positive side even, Bitcoin is up to $71,000, which is absolutely insane because we did see it being very volatile, pumping up to $73,000 I believe, and then dropping down to $62,000, and right now it is slowly starting to recover, and majority of the cryptos are also on the green side. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up crazy numbers, guys, nearly 3,000% up, making it $1.1 billion in trading, which is again an insane percentage increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious, the crypto has gained an insane amount of value, so a lot more people are trading the crypto right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, and in return it is also helping the value of Civic pump up even higher. But those of you guys who are investing into the crypto right now, make sure your risk management is on point, because as I mentioned earlier, I'm expecting it to go through a price correction, as I'm expecting that it is currently overvalued. So over the week it is up 155% and over the month 180%. But clearly most of the pump literally came from the last 12 hours, which has had a major impact on this crypto. And as you guys can see here, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance as well. So can Civic potentially hit the dollar mark towards the end of the year? The dollar mark is a little bit of a push for me. First, we're going to have to hit around 60 cents in value, which I'm expecting it to hit in the second half of the year. But for me, the dollar mark is a little bit of a push, so I'm not expecting it to hit that this year. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Civic to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.